Finally, Soludo don't finally shut down the international market where they for Onitsha, where they call Onitsha main market. He said that because of sit at home, say nobody wants stop sit at home. He say he go shut down the market, and if they talk too much, he go demolish am put. My people, you see the kind leaders we wanna get. Instead of him to address the reason why people they stay at home, okay, let this matter be solved. No, but he's shutting down the market. We can't get information saying son don't come outside, say no support him papa. Waiting papa they do because that sit at home now willingly where people tell they sit at home, so nobody force them to sit at home. So let us go and play the videos when they talk and when he shut down the market. Stay tuned and share this video.
Some of you will be up here. I want to thank and congratulate those of you who are here. Hear me. Anambra Gademma. I've come with a message. I'm just from Oka. Everywhere is open. Government offices are open. Markets are open. And people are going about their businesses. Then you come down to Onitsha. Come down to main market. The once reputed market as the largest market in West Africa. Okay? Yes, sir. And it is, listen, I have just driven all the way from the junction with Ose to this place. Through much of Johnson, I've seen through Johnson, I've seen through Bright. And the shops locked up. I've peeped inside. A few persons here and there. Okay? Anyone who has not opened, for main market, of all markets, to be shut down. I know that people have done this sit at home on Mondays for quite some time now. And as they say, an abomination that lasts a year becomes culture. No. This can no longer go on in Anambra. Are you hearing me? And I will tell you this. You either decide that you want to trade here or you can go elsewhere. This main market, if you don't want it to open, I'll come and take bulldozer and level it. And I'm very, very serious about it. I'm not joking. Going forward, any Monday, any shop that is not open will be locked for 1 week. And let me tell you this. As I'm speaking to you now, when I finish this whole main market and all the adjoining these things will be locked down for the whole of this week. There will be no market anywhere here. Each Monday will come. If people are not in their respective shops, it will be shut down again. If you like, I don't mind shutting down main market for the remainder of this year. We're not going to allow this. It's plain economic sabotage. And also we suspect whoever closes their shop to have some criminal intent. Rules. Yes. And the rules are that markets are open Monday to Saturday. If you are not prepared to open your shops Monday to Saturday, then leave Anambra, go to elsewhere. Simple. Period. Okay? So, this market will be shut down for the remainder of this week. It will not be open tomorrow. It will not be open on Wednesday. It will not be open on Thursday. It will not be open on Friday. It will open again on Monday. And if we come on Monday, you want what?
Okay, for the place, so even in it very tight. Then the mother and I just says, didn't have motor and turning in a phone back. Okay, from the police and our water, police can come. Also, not too much, you left the market. Police after. Oh, Chineke, oh, Nadia.
For the main market, that me quick I got. And I fair. I have a way I get many the block as that block. Let's see the mother, hot and the other. And I fair. Then yeah,
Jesus. Jesus. No potato. Everybody see. Jesus. Take it. Jangan baik. Jesus. Jangan dia. Ayah Glamonde. Ayah nak ada bonda. Weh, ayah sekali gua. Bonda bukan weekend, guys. Because of people, guys. Oi. Soludo bugayo. Soludo bugayo.
My people, this is a situation where they happen for inside Onitsha main market this morning. Now I say I bring and come give on. Now I want you to drop your own opinion for inside comment section. Is the governor doing the right thing, or is he trying to go against the will of the people? Say, since you people, if we come outside to protest, you buy us. Now let us stay and give this day for justice to be precise. So now drop your own opinion inside comment section and share this video.